How to color drench in black for dramatic, beautiful interiors. One of the boldest trends in design today is black color drenching, covering your walls, ceilings, trim, and even furniture in the same deep shade of black. Done right, it's effortlessly chic, dramatic, and modern. But the secret is balance. Why all black interiors? Black interiors are instantly elegant and sophisticated. They never go out of style, bringing a timeless luxury to any space. They're also versatile, fitting seamlessly into minimalist, industrial, or even bohemian styles. And most of all, they're dramatic, creating a mood that transforms a room into something unforgettable. So how do you make black work without overwhelming your space? First, choose matte finishes for subtlety. A matte black wall or piece of furniture softens the intensity and keeps things modern without feeling harsh. Second, layer your lighting. Use ambient lighting, statement fixtures, and warm tones to highlight features and add contrast. Third, balance black with natural elements. Wood, stone, leather, or greenery. These add warmth and prevent heaviness. Fourth, accent with bold colors or metallics. Gold, brass, or vibrant artwork pops against a black backdrop. Fifth, introduce plush fabrics and textures. Velvet cushions, cozy rugs, and soft throws make the room inviting. And finally, maximize natural light. Mirrors, reflective surfaces, and large windows keep the space open and airy. When done thoughtfully, more really can be more. An all-black room drenched in texture, light, and detail becomes a dramatic showpiece, whether it's a moody bedroom, a bold living room, or a sophisticated dining area. Want to see the full power of color drenching in black? Explore my new book, The Black Book: Interiors Drenched in Noir. It's a striking coffee table collection dedicated entirely to all-black design, covering moody bedrooms, dramatic kitchens, conversation pits, and more. With minimal text and bold, full-page imagery, it's designed to spark conversation and ignite inspiration. Step into a world where black is alive with depth, elegance, and drama. Available now on Amazon.